Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I got this super glowy look using the Amber Scholl cosmetics. So I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead, start right on in with the eyeshadow tutorial. For the first color, I'm going to go into All Natural and start at the outermost corner of my eye and blend it out into my crease. I'm also going to bring the color down towards like the edge of my eye to create like a triangle around the edges. I'm also going to start to blend out the brown upwards towards my brow, so it looks very gradual and smoked out. I'm also dragging the All Natural color all the way across into my tear duct to create like a very halo eye effect. Now I'm going to go into the color Prina and dust some under my brows for a highlight. For the next color, I'm going to go into 401k. These names, by the way, are just to die for. They are the most adorable names I've seen on packages. I'm going to start at the really edge of my eye. This is not going to be the only color on my lid, but I am going to pretty much have that as the edge color. So I'm going to slightly tap it on and stop like midway because I wanted to blend in with another color. This is a stunning color. It has like these light leafy green undertones. I think it's beautiful. I'm also going back and adding a slight bit more right at the edge because I do want more green around the edges. For the next color, I'm going to go into Luxury Tax. It's this peachy, beautiful gold color. And this is going to be my center color. And I'm going to start by dragging it in. And as you can see, it blends in beautifully with the greeny shades. For the next color, I'm going to grab a really tiny little precise brush. And I'm going to go into the color Filthy. This color, I cannot stop staring at. It is this white, but with like green emerald undertones. It is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, wow. Holy moly, that looks even better than in the pan. Wow, look at that. Wow, and this one doesn't even look like that in the pan. I think that's the best part of it, is that it comes off completely like better, I would say, because I didn't even think that it's like this gold, beautiful reflex. So I'm going back in and dipping and going around my tear duct, but I'm stopping like right there at the edge because I am going to put a different color there. I just want that to blend in, and that's going to be like my inner corner highlight color. Now going back to All Natural, I'm going to ever so slightly start dusting and pretty much smudging my bottom lash line to blend it in with the top. And when I'm going to reach my tear duct, I'm going to blend it in very, very gently with that color Filthy. When I reach the edge of my eye, I'm going to bring it up and away towards the edge of my brow to create a very lifted look. And now I'm going to go back into the color Prina and soften up the edges of the color All Natural because I don't want a very harsh brown line. I just want like a soft fade. Now going in with whatever is left from the brush that I use All Natural, I'm going to start brushing the edges of my crease to clean up any glitter that might have got there, and also to kind of help emphasize the color more and create more of a fade. Grabbing like a very thin defined brush, I'm going to dip into the color Splurge. It's like this very intense matte black, and I'm going to give myself a very gentle winged line. And for that, I'm just going to take that brush and pretty much push it against the edge of my lash line and very lightly wiggle my brush, not too much because I don't want to mess up the glitter above it, but I just want to add a little bit more of like a dimension to the look. And I'm also not going to bring the black all the way over. I just want it to be like midway through, I guess. And I'm doing like a very, very small wing, nothing very large or too intense. Now using my finger, I'm going to grab the 401k color and tap over where I applied it originally just to kind of intensify it more. And then do the same thing with Luxury Tax. This will basically just help the color pop a lot more on the lid. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and some lashes and show you the finished look. I decided to not apply any falsies after applying the mascara. I kind of liked it as it is alone. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I have applied falsies? Alright, as you can see, this eye look came out beautiful. I think it's like this smoky, glittery, I don't know how to describe it, but I absolutely love it. There is so many different colors in my eyes. I wish like the camera could see all the different like reflex that are going on, but it looks beautiful. I am absolutely in love with these colors right now. Alright, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this super overly glowy look, which I absolutely love. Obviously, this is not something that I personally always go for, but I can't lie, I am kind of digging it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to see future videos like these and comment down below your opinions, thoughts, and if you've tried it, I would love to know how you guys feel about it. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!